Right, so in the Grand Floridian, we are in Big Pine Key in 9346. So 9 is the building, 3 is the floor, so 3rd floor, and the rest is just your room number. And if you're interested, that is the floor plan of the building. So all of these are the firework view rooms. They would be looking over the water, and they would be, I assume, resort view. So as you come in, it's a mess. We're not apologising for the mess because it's a DVC room that we book through DVC points, and effectively you get cleaned once in your entire stay. So if your stay is more than 8 days, you get cleaned on day 4. If your stay is more than 12 days, the cycle resets. So I'd assume on day 15 you get another clean, I don't know. So to the right, we've got the bathroom, which is pretty much the same as every Floridian one, I think. And then to the right, you've just got your shower, which is actually, it's a decent shower. That it's like a shower cum bathtub, which is handy for the kids. It's shallow, like it's not very deep, the bathtub, so I'd say it's more for kids than adults. And then the toilet's actually in the same room with this door, which is unusual in America. Obviously, us being from the UK, that's just normal, but that is something different in America. Normally the toilet is separate. To this side, we have the, I guess it must be like the dressing table area. We've literally used it to house snacks, effectively. We put all of our snacks there, and then your trash is there, but your trash only gets emptied, I can't remember if it's every other day or every 4 days, I can't remember. And then that's the cot that we were provided by Disney. So it's just like a standard, what do we call them at home? Just like a
travel cot.
Travel cot, yeah. They call them something different, don't they?
They're called a pack and play.
Pack and play, yeah. And then to this side, we have a microwave, coffee machine, and then in here, a fridge, which we've never worked out in the time we've been here, how you turn the light off. It just seems to stay on.
It was like a night light.
Yeah, it's like a night light. And that chills to about 5 Celsius in our language. But this room, you don't get the toaster. That's in a deluxe room. And then we literally have 2 queen beds. Opposite that, we've got the TV with the drawers. And then that is a sofa that turns into a sofa bed, which I'll overlay now, showing just what the sofa bed is. And then literally, oh God, what's Thomas up to? And then in here, we literally just have a bit of storage. This storage has been all right. And then you're safe in there with the other.
Yeah, steamer.
Although I don't understand, like, surely for it to be a 5-star, they'd have to clean it. So what's the point of putting the steamer in? Isn't that like what they used to do to hit 5-star? And then we'll come out to the balcony.
They did provide you with a sweeping brush.
You got a sweeping brush in case you wanted to tidy up. We have had to over the time. We also had to get Thomas some fresh sheets. About, I don't know, what was that, 10 days in? I do think it's a bit daft that they don't give you the fresh sheets, but basically to the right, I'll zoom in now. So that's on a 2x zoom, just so you know. So that's the poly with the bungalows down there. Over there, you have the contemporary, and then, oh, that's a good time in the monorail going past the castle. So I'll go to a 4x zoom there on the phone, and then I'll change it to an 8, just so you've got an idea of, and then I'll go back to a 1, so that you sort of can see, I guess, it as I'm seeing it, if that makes sense. So that's the distance, but then obviously you can zoom in on your phone to see a bit better. So that's the balcony. It's literally just a couple of chairs. It's a decent sized balcony. If you end up on the top floor, your balcony is smaller. But overall, we've enjoyed our stay here. We will come back. Location perfect. Everything's been great. I'd say the cleaning's a negative. I would turn this camera around, by the way, onto me, but I'm on my phone and I can't do that. So the cleaning's been a bit of a nightmare for us.
It's annoyed me.
The car parking is quite a distance away from Building 9. If you were in the check-in area of the Floridian, of the DVC, you'd be fine. The car park for the DVC area is quite far away. Obviously, I don't mind walking. I'm just stipulating a fact here. But otherwise, it's been a nice room. We would consider coming back, but the cleaning's been a bit, because we've been here for 9 nights. We've been cleaned once in that time, which is a bit.
When you're hot and you're sweaty and you're tired after a hard park day, you just want to come home and your bed's to be made properly. And
Yeah, but
when you are on holiday, it's kind of what you pay for.
yeah, so just so you know as well, this is where I'm stood at the door. You can't actually see the castle. You've got to physically go
Yeah, it was
out.
quite disappointing when we first
You've got to
came
go
and
out
didn't
of the
see it.
balcony to then see it. But if you stood in the room, it disappears. So you can't like lay on your bed and see it. You've got to physically go out the balcony. But I'll overlay now a couple of the night views, and hopefully someone will book this room and really enjoy it. And hopefully you'll only be here for 1 or 2 nights, so you won't need a cleaning. But we'll catch you, I don't know when.
Magic.
Wrong vlog.
Oh, in 3 months.
3 months when we're back in the Floridian, and we'll do a review of the non-DVC one. All right, Joshua.